present concept is about elasticity. Here we are seeing about different material properties. They are chemical, physical, mechanical and dimensional properties. Now, present lesson is about elasticity. Here we discuss about strength of the materials, toughness, stiffness and plasticity. So, present lesson elasticity depends upon mechanical properties of the materials. So these are the different mechanical properties of the materials. A material strength, strong, stiffness, and then elasticity, plasticity, machinability, ductility. Some of the materials make it breakable. Brittleness, malleability, toughness, resilience, and creep. Last one is fatigue. So all this indicates mechanical properties of the materials. So the present lesson elasticity. It depends upon the dimension of the materials. So unless we apply the force, there is no change in the dimension of the body. If we apply the force, we can change either length of the body, or we can change area of the body, or we can change volume of the body. Original length L, change in length delta L, original area A, change in area delta A, original volume V, change in volume delta V. So basing the relation between the stress and the strain, we study in our present lesson Hooke's law. And when force is applied on the body, change in dimensions is known as stress. Due to application of the stress, we will get the strain. So as we have three changes, we have three types of stress correlating with the three types of the strain. So this is about the overview of the elasticity lesson. Now, what is meant by elasticity? So here is the example of elasticity. We have a rubber. If we elongate the rubber, deformation means change in shape. If you remove it, then the rubber gets original shape. So the regaining the original shape after force is removed, then that is called elastic nature. So this is temporary nature. So it is a property of a solid body, so that it can regain its original shape and applied force is removed is known as elasticity. So the body is called elastic body. Example, spring, rubber and the skin. Next, plasticity. This is the property of a body so that even though the force is removed, the body cannot regain its original shape. So this is the plastic bodies. Next one, there exists difference between elasticity and the plasticity of the bodies. Example for plastic bodies is plastic paper, clay and putty. This is permanent nature. This is the temporary nature. And that means this is affected by the surrounding factors. Later, some of the bodies, even though we apply the force, they never change their shape or size. That is called as the rigid body, and the phenomena is known as rigidity. Example, wall, blackboard and the duster. Later, elasticity indicates about deformation, change in the formation. So how many materials will be get deformed in our nature? All materials will be get deformed with the application of the force. How many deformations are there? There are two types of deformations. First one is elastic deformation and the second one is plastic deformation. Already we understood that elastic deformation is the deformation and that is reversible. But plastic deformation is not a reversible phenomena, it is the permanent deformation. Later, types of stress. If this is a body, force is applied in downward and in upward direction. So